Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This video is about the correlation of two random variables, and we would calculate the correlation for two discrete random variables. First of all, let's see what is correlation and how it can be calculated. Correlation. It is a degree of linear relationship between the two random variables. A coefficient of correlation measures the linear relationship between two variables. Let x and y are two random variables with joint probability function fxy. Correlation coefficient denoted by rho xy or correlation xy is defined as rho xy is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x into sigma y, where sigma x and sigma y are non-zero. And all we know that sigma xy is covariance, and sigma x and sigma y are the standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y. So correlation is the standardized form of covariance, as it is obtained by dividing the covariance by standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y. Coefficient of correlation, value of the coefficient of correlation lies between -1 and +1. If the value of coefficient of correlation is equal to 0, we will say that there is no linear relationship between the two random variables x and y. If correlation coefficient is less than 0, the two random variables are inversely related. And if correlation of coefficient is exactly -1, we say that there is perfect inverse relationship between x and y. And perfect inverse relationship means that if one variable decreases, the other would increase in the same ratio. If correlation coefficient of two random variable x and y is positive, greater than 0, the two random variables are directly related. And if it is exactly +1, we say there is perfect direct relationship between x and y. Now, in connection to the previous example of covariance, now we are going to calculate the correlation coefficient. See, this is the same joint probability function that we used for the calculation of covariance. Here the values of y are 0, 1, 2, 3, and values of x are 0, 1 and 2, and these are the joint probability, and here we have marginal probability functions. Now, using this same probability, joint probability function, we are going to calculate the correlation coefficient. The correlation coefficient is equal to covariance divided by standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y. And we have already calculated the correlation coefficient sigma xy equals to 0.085 in the previous video. So now we need to find sigma x and sigma y. Sigma x, that is standard deviation of x, would be equal to sum of x square minus mu x square, as all of us know that. And this sigma x square has been calculated in the previous video. So here we need to calculate summation x square, expectation of x square, that is summation x square into g of x, using the values of x and their marginal probability. 0 into 0.2, 1 square into 0.5 plus 2 square into 0.3, answer is 1.3. This expectation of x square is obtained using the above joint probability distribution function. Now substitute the value here. Expectation of x square 1.7 minus mu x is 1.1, as we calculated in the previous video. So the answer is 0.7. In the same way, you can calculate sigma xy, that is 0.8529. So coefficient of correlation would be value of covariance 0.085 divided by standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y, and the answer is 0.1483. It is a positive number, as the covariance was also positive. So it also indicates that x and this correlation coefficient also indicate that x and y have direct relationship. It provides additional information that the relationship is weak as the correlation coefficient is 0.14, which is not very far from 0.